Hi, I'm Alina with H33. In the early 2000s, the internet ran on SSL. Everyone knew it was vulnerable. Everyone knew it needed to be replaced. And the industry waited until breaches forced the migration. It took years of pain, billions in damage, and regulatory pressure to move to TLS. The tokenization industry is making the exact same mistake right now. Everyone building tokenized assets knows that quantum computing threatens the underlying cryptography. NIST has published the replacement standards. The migration path exists. The algorithms are ready. But migration means cost. Migration means complexity. Migration means admitting to investors that the infrastructure you just built has a shelf life. So the industry does what the SSL industry did. Wait. The difference is the stakes. When SSL broke, websites leaked credit card numbers. When blockchain cryptography breaks, entire asset classes lose their ownership proofs. Tokenized bonds with no valid signatures, tokenized real estate with contestable transfers, tokenized securities with forged transactions. And unlike SSL, you can't patch a blockchain retroactively. The vulnerable signatures are already on chain, permanently. The migration to post-quantum tokenization needs to start now, not when the first quantum breach happens, not when regulators force it. Now. At H33, we've built the post-quantum signature infrastructure for tokenized assets using all three NIST standard algorithm families. Because this time, waiting for the breach isn't an option. The assets are already on chain. The clock is already running. Thanks so much for watching.